Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2015 Nissan Versa, and it's got your average little door ding through the center there. I've got Bertha through the grommet, and let me see if I can, yep, I got access. So let's just take this dent out real quick. This one is going in the free bin. If you saw our bumper popper video, that was pretty satisfying, right? That thing came out in about a minute. I just looked down the car and saw this little dent and said, this is what I really do for a living. And how about we just take this dent out for free? And he said, okay, because why not, right? So we got this one down to a little tiny dent. It's almost 100% now. I'd say it's got a little tiny pocket, and it's definitely gone. I might even want to go and grab my high spotter and tap down that little tiny high that I just made, but other than that, we got that one out real nice real quick. It's got a little teeny high spot in it, but honestly I don't think anybody's going to notice that with the customer actually watching me right now as we speak, so he knows exactly what the end result will be. And I will just grab a little tap that last little bit down, but that's what I do for free, guys. If you like what you see, hit us up with that like, and if you're new to the channel, click the little notifications bell and you'll be notified every time we make a new video. Other than that, I'll just say the thing. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.